Meet the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper, a three-wheeled revolution that's changing the way we think about travel. Compact, eco-friendly, and brilliantly designed, this camper blends the agility of a bike with the comfort of an RV. Today, we're taking a full tour to see if this futuristic ride really delivers on its promise of freedom and flexibility. Segment 1, Exterior Design 0.26 130th. Camera pans across the camper's exterior, headlights, side panels, solar roof. At first glance, the 2025 Tricycle RV looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The aerodynamic shell, LED headlamps, and reinforced trike frame make it stand out anywhere it goes. Its lightweight aluminum body and weather-resistant panels not only improve performance, but also enhance durability on long trips. Close-up shots, door opening, luggage compartment, wheels. The minimalistic design hides a lot of innovation, from fold-out solar panels on the roof to integrated rear storage. And the best part? You can park it almost anywhere a motorcycle fits. Segment 2, Performance and Power. 101/31/2230. Cut to driving shots, dashboard display, sound of electric motor. The Tricycle RV Camper runs on an efficient electric motor system with a top speed of around 60 miles per hour and an estimated range of 150 miles on a single charge. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that can recharge in about 3 hours on a fast charger, or use solar energy for extended off-grid adventures. Show scenes of acceleration and turning. Handling feels smooth and responsive. That three-wheel configuration gives you stability, even on uneven terrain. It's built for solo travelers or couples who want to explore without the weight and cost of a full camera. Moves inside. The bed setup, kitchenette, lighting system. Inside, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper surprises you with how much it fits into such a small space. You get a convertible sleeping area, a compact kitchenette, a fold-out dining table, and even USB-powered lighting and climate control. Every inch is designed with smart storage and minimalism in mind. Show transition shots, folding the bed, switching modes, cooking inside. Despite its size, you can cook, rest, and work comfortably. There's even an optional mini solar fridge and fold-out awning for outdoor relaxation. It's like having a mobile micro-home on 3 wheels.